Welcome to Ecom Ranks. In this video, I have explained how are you able to add moving announcement bar to your Shopify theme. Whether you are using a Dawn theme, a Shopify free theme or Shopify paid theme or any third party theme that you are using, this bar will work on all of the theme. It has a lot of functionalities and it's completely free. So it has pretty nice features like it has three type of animations. The ticker effect, it's right now the moving. If I set this animation to slide carousel, it's shift to the slide version, and if I move it to the fade version, it fades after few seconds. It is highly customizable, and we are able to change any text, and we are able to add countdown timer to this announcement bar section as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first things first, we have to go to the Shopify admin side. This is Shopify admin. You will be on the home page. What we have to do is we have to click on the online store, and then we have to click on this theme button. Then it will show all the listed themes that we have added on our Shopify admin. So what we have to do is firstly we have to duplicate the theme. Make sure you have duplicated it because adding a one wrong line of code might hurt your theme, or it will break its structure, and which will be not good for your customers. So in case you broke the theme, simply publish this backup copy so to put back your theme. So after the backup is created, in few seconds, though you see the backup is created, what we have to do is we have to click on these three dots, and then we have to click on this edit code. Once we are on it, the edit code, it will open the theme code part. It will take few seconds to get load. Okay, so once it gets reload, what we have to do is we have to move to this section. This is the section part, and right click on it, and then we have to click on this new file button. Once clicked on it, you have to write the name of the bar like ecom ranks bar. Whatever you wrote the name, just wrote it, and then you have to add this extension dot liquid. This is must. So keep in mind that dot liquid extension is must. You can write any of the name without any space at this part. Okay, after writing the name, hit enter, and it will add the blank file to your Shopify theme section. So a blank file has been added. What we have to do next is we have to open this doc. I will provide its link in the description, so you can. It's a simple Google document link. Simply select all text and then copy it. And you can also use the mouse to select all the text. I have used Control A to copy and then Control C to copy it, and I then have to go to this file and then paste it using Control V button, and then hit the save button. Once it's saved, it will get saved, and our announcement bar section has been added. Now just simply close it, and then we have to go back to the Shopify admin. Once we are on Shopify admin side, click on this edit theme button. Okay, so our theme gets reload. uh, this is the default announcement bar. We can hide it from here. Just hide it, and then click on this add section button. Once clicked on it, it will show the custom bar ecom rank. Simply click on it, and it will add our announcement bar. Let me close this drop down and move it to the top. Okay, so now it's at the top, and it's showing three blocks. You can add your offers according to your requirements. So let's first customize this parent block, which is announcement bar. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will open the customization settings at right side. From here, the first section is called appearance. From here, you are able to change the color of your bar, and to match your branding. If you can manage any of the color from here, like you can change the hover color from here. You can change the underline effect if you want to add. Okay, so if I scroll down, there is a part for size and layout. If I increase its size, it will increase the size of this announcement bar, but it's not looking good. It would be suggested, if you increase the size of the bar, you should also increase the size of the fonts. From here, you are able to change the font family. Let me select any other font. Just for demonstration, I have selected this Poppins. You can select according to your brand identity. Okay, if hit this button, it will switch back to this mobile version. And for this mobile version, you are able to change its height from here and the font styles from here. So you see, it's pretty customizable for the mobile version or for the desktop version. If I scroll down from here, we are able to change the animation behavior. Like if I set it to mark ticker effect, it will add this sliding moving announcement bar. And from here we are able to autoplay the slides. We are, if it's slide like, and if I switch it off, it won't auto slides. We have to use this arrow icons to slide the announcement bar. So let me move back to the marquee or ticker effect. If I scroll down, it will suggest the speed of the marquee effects. If I increase it, it will decrease the speed, and if I decrease this bar, it will increase its speeds too fast. So these are pretty easy to manage or customize it. From this is the separator character, you can change it. And if I scroll down, there are pretty easy settings. This is the close button, you can toggle it off or toggle it on. So, and if you want to hide this hide this announcement bar on desktop version, simply switch it on off or switch it on according to your requirements. Okay, so let's move to this block section. Okay, so this is let me hide the other two parts to show only one. So this is showing that free shipping on orders over $50. From here we are able to change its text. From here we are able to add link to it. And if we want to change this button or remove it, simply if I scroll down, there is an option for button. Here we are able to disable this button or enable it, change its color, add its link, and anything you are able to manage it from here. And at last, there is an option for show countdown timer. Let me show it, set its date when it's get finished. So it starts showing that it will finish showing after this much time. You can customize it according to your business requirement. So let me switch it off. If I scroll up, there is an option for badge, that you want to show the badge. If I toggle it on, it will show the badge over here. Its position, you can set its position, you can set its color, you can set the text color. Like if I want to set its color to black, it will become black. So this is a very nice announcement bar, and it's completely free to use on any of your Shopify theme. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you have any question, leave a comment below and I will help you out. And if you are looking for any custom help, you can reach me out on my email and I will help you out. Thanks for watching.